placing the window, it's quite similar to the door placement. So just double click on the window tool, make sure you are there inside the window default settings. Again, the folders and the logic of library is going to be the same. Try to explore each and every folder so that you will get used to about the different window types which are available in ArchiCAD. So surely this will help you a lot at the time of your design process. Now, for a while, I'm going to work with, say, maybe the sliding window, and you have several options available out over here. Let's talk about 3-slash sliding window, and here you can check out the first rollout preview and position. You have total width of the window and the height of the window. At present, let's try to put this as a 1500, and height I'll try to put 1200. Now, sill to story. Remember, there are different possibilities. You have a sill to wall base, sill to wall top, and so on. So, whatever is suitable, you please select that, and accordingly, you can fill up the value. So, for example, I'll just try to put 900 over here. So that will be my sill. So altogether, the lintel top will be at the 2100. Now the next rollout is the sliding window settings. Here again, this big button, you can just scroll and take the first option. Then again, you check out whether you want to work with the wall hole dimension or any other option out of this available three. Then accordingly, the puncture will get designed in the wall for the to generate the window. Now the next rollout shape where I'm going to say divide it. No, I don't want to divide this. I just want to go for the upper transform as a none. And then the rest of things are very simple. Uniform pants is supposed to be uh, the vision. This you're altogether the sliding window, this shutters which you can see. So what the window panes will be nothing but whether you want to work with a custom or uniform. Anyway, again you have such choices available. Again, make sure all these possibilities one has to check as per the need. The frame size, altogether you can check out what should be the frame size for your current need, and that's it. Because there are other several settings, you can definitely check them. Few of them I'll add in the coming lesson or the coming video, you can see. Um, let's place this now. So basic settings are done. So if you, in case you want to play with the surfaces, definitely you check out. There is supposed to be every time there is a model attribute option is written. This is as per the what you can see, the group which you are treating. If you're talking about the first group, and if you see model attributes, you can check out what should be the frame surface for the outside, inside, etc. Okay, so the sash also and so on. So at present, of course, if you want to keep it uniform, you can keep it uniform also. And maybe if you just want to play with the paint as a black, ivory black, so this can be one go, you can do the changes. Now let's say okay for this. And again, remember, there's no layer for this because by default, what are the door and window, always remember they will get placed on the wall itself. So what are the wall, that wall which you are using, it belongs to a particular layer. Door window will also stay on the same layer. Let's say okay for this. And as usual, geometry method you have to check. You can read the prompt also at the lower left corner of your screen. That is, click on a wall to place window center point. Now center justified, that is supposed to be the by default option. And if I just try to touch to this side, you can see now the half marking is provided. So I'm just going to place my window over here. Then again read the prompt, it is written, click to choose window opening direction and orientation, press tab to change reveal side. So this again you should understand. I'll just click, the sun icon indicates the outside, so I'm just going to click for that. That's it. And my window is now placed. Okay, if you want to check this in your section, uh, S1 was my section, so I can just try to double click and open that. You can see how this particular thing. Now you'll be having a doubt, what about the lintel, which is not getting displayed, not even it is not there for the door also. So I'm going to add that also soon. But otherwise, you should remember that altogether, whatever you have done the exercise right now, that is, if I measure that this becomes a 900 and this becomes a 1200. So total it is 2100. Okay. Again, we are just doing a very basic drafting. There's no kind of a tile level layer or the plinth I have not actually designed or shown in the required manner. It was just a little bit schematic, which you can see. Of course, one can definitely improve this by giving the different skins for the plinth level. That is, you have a tile, and then again you have a mortar, and maybe some other layers also. And accordingly also you can actually adjust your sill level so that unfinished floor and finished floor, so all such fine tuning one can do. Anyway, so I hope now you have understood how to place the window. As usual, again the same things, I cannot copy this window and take it in any other wall. I have to insert this for sure. So if I want to insert my window on this side, the similar one, I just click and I'll insert. Okay, so that's it. So please complete this particular window presentation quickly. In the next clip, I'll talk about the remaining part for the scene.